Aztec 2441 Mike's at the Stuart Jet Center with information Tango requesting VFR departure to the west.
2441 Mike, Stuart ground, runway 30, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 30, taxi via Alpha, 41 Mike. Alright, trim for takeoff. Cross feet off, outboards, flaps. Flaps are up here, all that looks good. Flight controls, unrestricted. Aztec 2441 Mike is holding short runway 30.
Aztec 2441 Mike, retire, cross on, change runway to runway 34. Runway 34, you're cleared for takeoff.
Runway 34, cleared for takeoff, 41 Mike. Cross runway 30. Gauges in the green, airspeed alive. 55. Climbing out, 88. The brakes, gear up.
Hey guys, if you look out Shelby's window, you can see all the little sailboats of the sailing school that you can do this summer.
Yeah, and you can see in the water.
Yeah. Nice.
Aztec 2441 Mike, you can turn left on course.
Aztec 2441 Mike, left on course. Thank you. Alright, and we're off. Alright, we're going to go across a little on the low side today.
401 Mike, free change approved.
Frequency change approved, 41 Mike. Palm Beach Approach, Aztec 2441 Mike at 2,500.
Aztec 2441 Mike, Palm Beach Approach, and what's your destination airport? What's your requested altitude?
Requested altitude 2,500, and we're going to Brooksville, Bravo Kilo Victor.
November 41 Mike, maintain VFR, squawk 1311.
1311, maintain VFR.
Did you just come off Stuart for November 41 Mike?
I did just depart Stuart. I'm about 10 miles to the northwest at this point.
November 41 Mike, radar contact 10 miles south of Fort Pierce Airport, the very beach altimeter is 3015.
3015, 41 Mike.
It's bumpy today.
Yep.
Bumpy.
It's going to be a bumpy road.
How are you kids back there?
Good.
Good? Oh, that was a good bump.
Just a bunch of fields out here, isn't it? Will we be going over Okeechobee? Or that's it?
Okeechobee's that way, yeah. See?
We're going north and then over.
So Okeechobee's directly off our left wing.
Yeah.
We're going to go south of Orlando, and then to Winter Haven. We're going to go over the Jack Brown Seaplane base, and then we're going to go up towards Brooksville.
Are we going down a little bit?
No, it just feels like it from the bumps.
Oh.
It's called disorientation.
It looks like we're facing down a little bit.
We're not. But when it's bumpy like this and people are in clouds, a lot of times they end up getting disoriented, and that's how a lot of pilots have gotten killed. That's why it's important to trust your instruments and learn how to fly them.
Are we going to switch gas today?
No. I've got full outboards. We're on outboards, and we're only going to use about 20 gallons. No Messages flashing. Wow. Everything's working. Holy cow.
Don't jinx it. I like the cloud shadows on the ground.
Yeah, me too.
That was a big bump.
Yeah. If you want to see, watch right here. This little gauge.
Which gauge?
Right there. I can't hold my hand still. But right here,
Yeah.
just to the left of it, it shows vertical speed. So when we hit a bump, it pushes it up. And you're going to see we got a deflection. That was 300 feet per minute up when we got hit by that bump. And then the autopilot gradually tries to work us back down to our altitude, and that's our altitude right there.
Good afternoon, Palm Beach Approach, number 3702 with you at 2,000.
So I've got the altitude set at 2,500, and so it's reading 2,400 right now, but it's going to try to get us back up to where we are, but low changes.
November 4-1, Mike, radar services terminated. Squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Good day.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved, 401 Mike, thank you. Alright, no flight following, look for traffic. So we're going over some lakes and ponds and things, and there's going to be a whole lot more coming.
772, flight, climb and maintain flight level 230.
If you look on the edge of the lakes that we're flying over,
Yeah?
you may see alligators sitting on the edge.
Really?
Yeah, we're low enough with the sun straight above us that we might get lucky if there's a big alligator and be able to see a shadow.
There's a plane that's 300 below us coming towards us.
Let's find them.
180,
Because we're on a converging course.
Squawk 4602 325 Sierra Whiskey.
Not very tall over this way. Looking for a plane.
He's at the tip of the lake. He's going to be over that way.
I think I see him, but I'm not sure.
352 Sierra Whiskey for the call.
See if it moves.
Sierra Whiskey.
That's Skylane 325 Sierra Whiskey.
And it is bumpy.
Yeah.
5 for 4,000, 7 Whiskey Lima.
There. I don't know if I can get it. Lord, it's bumpy.
Yes, very bumpy.
I don't even know why I try with videos when it's like this.
No, I don't either.
He's flying low.
Yeah.
So are we. Look at those giant Florida hills. Those are at least 10 feet tall.
Is it a landfill?
Huh?
Is it a landfill?
All right. Temps are good. Pressures are good. Everything looks good. Go plane, go.
Is that your new word?
What?
Good. Instead of nice.
Nice is better.
Nice is better.
Have you got any snacks?
We have a whole bunch back here.
Julian,
got
give me some of your
me.
tots.
Oh no, that was definitely down.
That was 500 feet per minute up.
It was up?
That was up.
Tampa, Cherokee.
Crazy, right?
07
You just went 500 feet up?
Yep.
Yes, that is really
But this is an important lesson. So when you start learning how to fly, they put a hood on you or put glasses on you, and then they wiggle the plane around and they ask you, what do you think the plane is doing right now? And then you tell them, and then they show you it's never doing what you think it was doing.
Thank you.
So you can trick your brain really easily when you're flying around with updrafts and downdrafts and clouds and turbulence, so you gotta trust your instruments. Do you know who invented the instruments that let us fly instruments?
No. Doolittle.
Doolittle did. Jimmy Doolittle was the guy who made the first instrument flight.
Yeah.
Helped develop.
That in the book?
It was in the book. I'm just seeing if you remember any of it.
I remember. Like, not inventor.
It started off really slow, but it turned out to be a decent audiobook.
Yeah. No, it was good. I liked it. The Aviators. If there's any pilots out there looking for a book recommendation,
Yeah, that was wrong.
that's where we picked up the fact about Jimmy Doolittle. Excellent book for pilots. If you're looking for a gift for a pilot friend, that book is a good one. I'm not getting paid.
We are no way getting compensated.
But it was. I think that's been my my favorite book of the last few months.
There's nothing much to look out this way, is there?
Well, we can look at MANATEES.
Yeah.
I'd rather be having an adventure.
Me too.
Me too.
Especially if it involves Portillos at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm.
No?
It is my favorite restaurant.
Okay.
It's from Chicago, where I was born, and it has the best Italian beef and hot dogs. And we're going to go there tonight for dinner in Tampa, and I'm going to order one of all of those things.
Okay.
Well,
This is only a few.
then I won't order anything. I'll just take a bite.
We'll just we're going to get a buffet of perfection. Portillos perfection.
I've only ever had it when your mom and dad ship it down.
Oh, wait till you have it in the restaurant.
I love burgers and hot dogs.
Well, you're going to have your best hot dog ever tonight.
It has the bright green pickles.
It does. Oh, it's got the hot peppers, the
Ew.
onions, the pickle. Well, take them off. Mustard, the poppy seed bun, the celery salt. Oh,
That is
it's
nice.
so good.
I do like the celery sauce, but not the hot spicy peppers.
Thank you. Good day.
To the left of us is a restricted zone, and it's active.
Why?
I saw this morning.
But what is it?
They have military flights out there. So we're going to stay clear of that.
So they may have jets flying around practicing?
Yeah, so look for jets. I hadn't seen any. I wanted to tell you. If they are practicing,
Would
they're going to
they
be higher up.
Would they show up on here since they're military, or is that only...
Don't know. I don't think so. There's a jet. There's a plane.
That did not show up on our radar there.
That traffic is not on our ADSB. I don't know why. Two bald eagles fighting.
No.
Two bald eagles fighting right underneath the coming out Shelby's window. Look for two bald eagles.
Where? Whoa.
They are gonna be behind us now. But they were definitely bald eagles.
Maybe they're just friends.
Oh, I'm pretty sure they're not friends. Maybe they're trying to be friends.
I can see some cows, not bald eagles.
We're
Oh,
just flying right along with that plane over there.
Where?
Well, we need to keep an eye on him in case he surges, because we're both staying below the clouds. We're about the same altitude, and
I still don't see him on here.
not sure that he is. So that could be an experimental. We're getting closer to the part where all the little lakes are, and this is going to be cool. This is where I saw alligators when I did my seaplane training, and that was my favorite flying ever.
Maybe we'll see a seaplane. That would be
So
neat.
yeah, we probably will see some seaplanes. They're
A
going to be
bright
yellow.
seaplane.
Bright yellow seaplanes. I'll tell you when we're close, but we're going to fly right over the top of Jack Brown's on purpose so we can try to see some.
I love the videos from your seaplane training. I did not love the videos from your aerobatic training.
Maybe we
It
should,
made me nervous.
alright, we're converging. He's getting a little closer. And we're on the same altitude.
I still don't see. Is it him? No.
No, he is not on ADSB.
Yeah, I can tell he is getting closer.
That's a really big plane to not be saying, hey guys, there I am. Look at him, he's dropping down. He's coming towards us. He's closer.
Yep.
Ooh, yeah, he's coming close to us.
I wonder if he sees us.
He does not. We are behind and to the left of him. It would be very difficult to see us.
I couldn't find any. We can see him, but he can't see us.
Right, that means it's our job not to let anything bad happen. All right, this is Jack Brown.